Hi everybody, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can utilize your gap days for your maths board exam that is on 3rd of March. Where I have this plan in my mind. You can start with the formulas, practice them thoroughly, or you can also refer to the formula notebook that you have made. Then the second step is to start with the most important chapters. See, these are differentiation, determinants, then relations and functions. Then you can go on with integration and so on, because if you build up your base, for example, integration is the reverse of differentiation. So if you have a good command over differentiation, you'll be able to solve integration numericals also. And there are some questions that are asked every year, be it the Martin's rule or the 6 marker determinants question, in which you have to prove. Make sure to mention each and every step. If you skip it in mathematics, your marks will be deducted for sure. A student who wants to score 100, you have to keep in mind that no shortcut is allowed in your maths paper. There is this dilemma about section B and section C. You can go with section C if you don't want to study, like you don't want to apply your brain. You can just solve it using the formula. For section B, I think JEE students can do it well, so you can go with that. Commerce students usually prefer section C, but I also attempted section C because I felt it was easy and it was totally formula based. So you can go with that. And yes, I remember my teacher told me that once you score 100 in your maths paper, your rechecking is done. For example, I scored 100, right? So the rechecking procedure is like they'll see if you have mentioned the statements correctly, or is there any shortcut. They'll try to deduct marks in that. For example, you are attempting a determinants question which is of 2 marks. So you can complete it in 2 lines. Shortcuts are allowed there. But when you are attempting 6 marker, then you have to show the steps. It should be completed in 1.5 page. That's the difference. Once you've completed the paper, you can also attempt extra questions, because they'll be taking the top 5 questions in which you have scored the most. And also there are questions in which you can put the value and then verify the answer. For example, there is this sine inverse x plus tan inverse x equals to pi by 2. You get a value of x, then you can put it in the equation just to verify if the answer is correct or not. Well, that's it for this video. If you want me to make a detailed strategy for mathematics, then do comment. Bye. Well, you can also visit my website Molly eBooks. It has handwritten notes for both 10th and 12th boards. For example, we have physics notes ebook for ISC 12th, which has all the handwritten notes of all chapters. It is according to the latest syllabus, precise and easy, with 156 pages, which has the derivations, formulas, along with the theory part and the numericals.